friends, here's our story of Jack and Jill. Jack and Jill both start with letter J. Jack and Jill went up the hill. She's carrying a pail. He's wearing a crown. To fetch a pail of water. This is called a well. Jack fell down. Uh-oh, what's happening to his crown? And broke his crown. Oh boy. And Jill came tumbling after. The end. But to go with our story, we have a couple activities. So first, we're going to do some sequencing. That means we're going to put it in the same order as our story. We have Jack falling down, Jill falling down, and Jack and Jill going up the hill. So which one would come first? It would be Jack and Jill going up the hill. So you're going to cut out the squares and you're going to put it on number 1. What would come number 2? That would be Jack falling down. So that would be number 2. Number 3 would be Jill falling down. Then with an adult, you can write the words or you can have an adult help you write the words. And this is your word box. And the words are Jill, down, crown, and hill. Jill and hill are rhyming words. Rhyming sounds the same, but just something's a little different. And crown and down are rhyming words. The beginning is a little different, but the rest is the same. And up here are the lines where you're going to put those words in. Jack and went up to fetch a pail of water. Jack fell and broke his, and Jill came tumbling after. Then you're going to use these finger puppets that we have. You can cut around the lines or have an adult help you, and you can have your own Jack and Jill. Decorate them however you want. And there's some little holes here that you can cut out and stick your fingers through. And then your Jack and Jill can walk around. Then we have a little storybook for you to make to practice your cutting on the lines. So you're going to cut all the way through the lines, and you're going to line up all 4 rectangles and see which one comes first, second, third, and fourth. You can do this with an adult too to help you. This is just to get the order and sequencing. Have lots of fun with it, friends. Bye.